Hello everyone, welcome back to frequency effects on our body. While I'm talking about frequency, I wanted to discuss with you the latest thing, and that there are lots of scientific researches that have been proving that Parkinson's disease, Alzheimer's, dementia are considered as diabetes type 3. Type 3 diabetes. We've never heard of something like that before. Well, in type 3 diabetes is characterized by insulin spikes, meaning that your insulin level after a meal goes so high and then it drops so low and then it goes so high again. So with every meal, you keep on doing those insulin spikes. Insulin spikes is an error in your metabolism for sugars. So when you eat high carb meal or some sweet like chocolate cake or something like that, your blood sugar increases so high because your body is not able to function with it, doesn't know what to do with all this amount of sugar. And this leads to this metabolic effect, which is diabetes 3. And that leads to aging of the blood vessels that supply the blood to your brain, because the blood vessels start losing its elasticity from all these high levels of sugar in the blood. Even though when you test the blood, like the A1C or the fasting blood sugar, it doesn't show diabetes. Then how would you know that this is a new type of diabetes? Is to measure the blood sugar after a meal, how high it goes, and after 2 hours, how low it drops. There are lots of research about that, and once we are able to normalize the peaks into lower peaks or normalized peaks, we find that there is a huge improvement with our patients that have Parkinson's, that have dementia, that have Alzheimer's. Their memory starts improving. Why? Because blood flow improves to the brain. How could we do that with frequency? Well, when we are using the frequency, the healing frequency from our devices here, it regulates the blood flow around the head and the area, because, for instance, the terahertz, our device, is the only device in the market that has cold blow. So you could use it around the head and the neck safely. And this improves the blood flow into that area, encourages your blood vessels to function better, and regeneration of the blood vessel walls. And this way, the improvement happens naturally from the body itself healing itself. How we could do that also? By putting your meal in a specific order, and we could have another episode about what is the correct order of eating your carbs or your sugars instead of having them on their own. Thank you, and I hope you have enjoyed this episode for today. Have a very blessed day. Bye.